Hello friends, I am here with another video and took a question from equilibrium. This question asked in JEE Mains paper 2021. From this question is from equilibrium, and this is too much important question because here is this question involves two concepts. One is the Gibbs free energy and second one the Kp value of Kp. You know the Kp value of equilibrium, Kc. When Kp value is a pressure constant of equilibrium and Kc value is a concentration constant of a equilibrium. Here is a two concept in this question. Two concept. The question says for the reaction A gas to B gas, for the reaction A gas to B gas equilibrium, this sign indicates the equilibrium at 495 Kelvin. Gives the Gibbs free energy minus 9.4768 kilojoule per mole. If we start the reaction, when we start the reaction in a closed container, no other substance involved, in closed container at 495 Kelvin with 2.22 millimoles of A, 22 millimoles of A. The amount of B in the reaction in the equilibrium mixture is. The overall concept of this question: when we react A, then it give B at this temperature. The Gibbs free energy required this. And when we started this reaction in closed container with 22 millimoles of A, what will be the moles of or amount of B that we calculate, that the question asks. This question involves two concepts. First one is the Gibbs free energy and second one is the equilibrium constant. We need to calculate the equilibrium constant. First of all, solution: the Gibbs energy that given in question, this energy is required in question because the minus says this energy required for a reaction, then the reaction will start it. Okay, and the Gibbs free energy that is given in question, G0 is equals to minus 9.478 kilojoule per mole. This is given in question, and we need the relation between we know the relation of Gibbs free energy which is equals to minus 2.03 RT log of Kp. The value of Gibbs free energy that is given in question used here, and also I am right here, which is equals to minus 2.08. The value of gas by gas constant which is equals to 8.314 into T 495 and log of Kp value. You know the value of ln of Kp, which is equals to 2.03 log of Kp, and this value the value of ln P I am put here, and then I get the 2.303. I hope you get this. And here I am going to calculate the value of Kp. Let me calculate this first of all. The whole value of this is 9.478 L log of Kp minus here and minus here cut. 9.478 divided by 9.478, which is equals to log of Kp. Log base, the base of this is 10. Kp here is also 10, here is also 10. Base of log is 10, which is equals to 1, and the value of Kp is equals to 10 raised to power 1, which is equals to same 10. The value of Kp is 10. Now I am going to calculate this here. A gas that breaks down into B, this sign indicate equilibriums. 2.2 millimoles gives, we don't know that what is the moles of this. 222 minus 1 equilibrium. When the reaction is started and comes to at equilibrium, then the moles that breaks down from here 22 minus x and gives to x. When the reaction started, then it achieved the equilibrium point. When it achieve equilibrium point, then the reaction, the product, when the moles of A break down into x, when the some moles from breakdown here, the moles the breakdown here, that moles makes the product. The product will be x, because the mole that break down from reactant is x, then the moles formed here is x. Now calculate the Kc, which is equal to x upon V. This is a concentration of B upon V divided by 22 minus x upon V. This is a mole of A and this is a mole. This is a concentration of A and this is a concentration of B. That is equal to 10, because the Kp value is 10. And here I am going to calculate x. Sorry. 22 minus x upon V. Here and here cancel out. X upon 22 minus x, which is equals to 10. Now I am right here. X is equals to 210 minus 10x. Yes, x is equals to 20. The moles of B is 20. The left moles that are in container is 2 moles, because the moles of B is formed is 20. And the question says what is the amount of B in mixture. The container that we take, and the moles of A is 22. Moles of A is 22. And I am solve all these calculation, and this is a hard question. Not too much hard, but little bit hard. You have to practice on this. But thank you so much. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए. बाकी ख्याल रखिए अपनी सेहत का. थैंक